Welcome to another video from Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today we are reporting from the Hampton Inn and Suites in Ottawa Airport North, maybe? I don't know. We just checked in, but I think we're close to the airport, even though I haven't seen any planes take off or land. Anyway, we're here, first time. And I'm going to give you guys a quick video tour of our room. We're in room number 509. Very good check-in experience, very helpful gentleman at the front desk. Great guy. Unfortunately, I didn't catch his name, but yeah, good guy, good service. So let me show you the bathtub. Nice and clean, no issues. Everything looks great. These bottles look like they've been filled. Shower head's not the greatest, but I'm sure it'll work. Okay, so our room is actually very spacious. It feels huge. So yeah, like I said, room number 509. Yeah, first impressions, definitely a nicer Hampton Inn property. Maybe a little bit older, I'm not sure. The ceiling indicates it's a bit older, but yeah, good, clean, good atmosphere, good vibes when we got here. Everything seems to be nice and clean. Our room is huge, and we have the microwave that looks like a 50-inch TV, and then we got the mini bar fridge, which is great. And okay, so these guys look a little bit dated, but yeah, it's huge. So we have a desk over here. Yeah, it's a very nice and spacious room. And then as far as views, it's kind of late now. Parking lot views, amazing. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what else I can show you guys. Let's see what they got in here. Okay. The carpet is very dark. I'm not a big fan of that, to be honest with you. But other than that, so far so good. Let me know in the comment section if you stayed at this property before. Let me know what your experience was like. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And there will be many, many more travel-related videos coming up soon. Lots of trips in the pipeline. Thanks for watching. Peace.